Well, good afternoon. John Peters here with some interesting immigration news. The Supreme Court just handed down a ruling that U.S. birthright citizenship remains. In other words, Trump has lost this one. The ruling was 6-3 against Trump. Trump had signed an executive order the first day of his presidency outlawing U.S. citizenship for children born to illegal parents on U.S. soil. His argument was that was referring to slaves that later became citizens, that you couldn't abuse the system and just start a birthing tourism. But Trump has lost this one. U.S. birthright citizen remains, as it's been ever since the 1860s, that if you're born on U.S. soil, you are a U.S. citizen, regardless of the status of your parents or grandparents, for that matter. This is good news for a lot of people that were waiting on their children to maybe turn 21 and sponsor them, or even people that had kids here and were wondering about their status. So this was 6-3. Alito, Thomas, and Gorsuch were in the minority. They were for Trump, but Roberts and Barrett and Kavanaugh, they voted with the liberal justices 6-3. And so Trump has lost this one. Anybody born on U.S. soil is a U.S. citizen. Hope this helps. God bless. Bye-bye.